Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP USD. First of all, to those who have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Please like and also make a comment. I would love to watch out for it. At first, we can see that this GBP USD is giving us an uptrend move. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows, right? So the full trend on this trade on this GBP that we want to trade is an uptrend move, no doubt about that. Now, if you take a look at this recent move, we are now kind of having like a drop, which is like a pullback. I want you guys to see it as a pullback. It is kind of like bearish, lower lows and lower highs, which is pullback. So once this pullback is over, we should expect a further bullish move. So above all, if you are like a long-term trader or a position trader, right, in the month of January, February, we should be able to grab a lot. So we expect, I think in the month of January, we should be able to take out this ice, right? So GBP USD, the full trend is actually an uptrend move, and we have no other option than to go, we should go ahead and go up on our GBP USD. All you just have to do is just wait for a setup, right? So we would want to predict when the price will be moving for the next day, right? So to be able to predict the price for the next day, we have to go to the 4-hour time frame. Now you can see on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this price is dropping, right? So my target is this level, which is 1.9 on this GBP USD. So this is what I personally am watching out for. My target is 1.9 before price will start giving me that uptrend move on GBP USD. But we have to apply the rules of trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see on this GBP USD is like price is actually ranging within this level. So you can see this lows, which is the support level, and we can take a look at this ice, which is the resistance level, right? So you will see movements like this as a drop to the support level, then we see a bullish move that came to the resistance level, then again downward to our support level. You can see this movement that is being made that went up straight to our resistance level. Now you can see it drop into the support level. So I believe the next day, if price does not break this support level on the 4-hour time frame, right? If it does not break the support level on the 4-hour time frame, then we see it actually roll up to this resistance level again, and again it will drop. But if in case price breaks this support level, then we have to go ahead to a level of, let's say 1.19100. I think we should watch out for that level. This is the level that I'm watching out for on GBP USD. I would want it to actually come to this level, which is 1.19100. So if GBP USD can get to that level, then we will continue to go bullish. But if in case price does not break this support level, then we should kind of say like, a rejection that we go to our support, our resistance level, downward to our support level. So basically, we should kind of see like a ranging market move. So anyhow, how the price plays out is how we are going to take the trade. So if the price breaks and drop, then we can go ahead and drop with it. If price continues to range, then we will go ahead and range with it.